Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So we are here today to know about the new cabinet ministers of India and newly appointed governors. Eight states got new governors, and they are, and the first one is P.S. Sridharan Pillai, the governor of Goa. P.S. Sridharan Pillai takes charge as governor of Goa. He was transferred from Mizoram state. And the second one is Bandaru Dattatreya takes charge as governor of Haryana. He was the BJP leader from Bihar state. And the third one is Rajendra Vishwanath. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar takes charge as governor of Himachal Pradesh. He was Goa's forest and environment minister previously. And the fourth one is Ramesh Vyas, the governor of Jharkhand. He was union minister in Vajpayee cabinet and Tripura governor previously. And the fifth one is Thawarchand Gehlot. Thawarchand Gehlot, the governor of Karnataka. He takes charge as governor of Karnataka. He was governor of Haryana previously. And the sixth one is Mangubai. Mangubai Chagganbhai Patel, the governor of Madhya Pradesh. He takes charge as governor of Madhya Pradesh. He was the BJP leader from Gujarat. And the seventh one is Haribabu Kambhampati. Haribabu Kambhampati takes charge as governor of Mizoram. He was Andhra Pradesh BJP leader. And the eighth one is Satyadev Narayan Arya takes charge as governor of Tripura. He was BJP leader from Bihar and Haryana. And these 8 members are the newly appointed governors. And the new cabinet ministers are Virendra Kumar, the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment; Ramchandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel; Jyotiraditya Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation; Ashwini Vaishnaw, the Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and IT; and Kiran Rijiju, the Minister of Law and Justice; Bhupendra Yadav, the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Minister of Labour and Employment; and Hardeep Singh Puri is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs; and Mansukh Mandavia, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers; and Anurag Singh Thakur, the Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports; and Nitin Jairam Gadkari, the Minister of Road Transport and Highways; Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Cooperation; and Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance, Minister of Corporate Affairs; and Narendra Singh Tomar, he is the Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare; Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar is the Minister of External Affairs; and Smriti Zubin Irani, the Minister of Women and Child Development; Arjun Munda, the Minister of Tribal Affairs; and Narayan Rane, the Minister of MSME; Pashupati Kumar Paras, the Minister of Food Processing Industries; Sarbananda Sonowal, the Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, and the Minister of Ayush. Rajkumar Singh, the Minister of Power, Minister of New and Renewable Energy. And Purushottam Rupala, the new Minister of Fisheries, Animal and Husbandry and Dairying. Dharmendra Pradhan, the Minister of Education, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. G. Kishan Reddy, the Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism, Minister of Development of Northeastern Region. And Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Minister of Textiles. And Prahalad Joshi, the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, the Minister of Coal, Minister of Mines. And Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Minister of Heavy Industries, and Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs, and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, the Minister of Jal Shakti. There are 12 cabinet ministers who retained their ministry in cabinet shuffle and 28 new ministers of state that were appointed on 7th July 2021. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below and stay safe, stay home.